Hello and welcome, my name is Chris Farrow. This is my submission for the Let's Roll Gaming Festival website. As you can see, we went with 1920 by 1080 standard website, standard web size. However, we've got we went with 1600 pixel with a buffering of 160 pixels on either side, so it gives us a clean gap for advertising, and it allows to be picked up by most or all modern PC or computer screens. So let's get into it. I decided to make this website as easily legible as possible, so we used quite big fonting sizes. We have our logo design, which is being carefully crafted and redesigned over a long period of time. We went from a decorative logo to what you see today, which is a lot cleaner, a lot more concise. That's the whole concept of Let's Roll, is how you clean up and make everything concise and following. So we've got call to action right here. Buy your tickets. There's animation to, as you scroll over, it highlights where you need to click. We'll click that shortly. We have a navigational bar with About Us, the Tavern, VIP, contact and accessibility. Sign in and log in again with the ability, as you highlight over it, it highlights so you know where you are on the screen. We've tried to make navigation as easily as possible. So first things first, we're going to sign in. This takes us to the sign in register page. Your first name, last name, postcode, email. It gives you prompting as well. Create your password. Everything there. Go to continue. That goes red. If you've already got a password, so you're already a member, you go to login. It takes you to this login. Again, fill your details and we continue. So as you can see, we have images up here in a carousel format. We can scroll through. These are found images and will be referenced in the WordPress sheet that is supplied with the video. So welcome to Let's Roll Gaming. Obviously, I'm not going to read out everything because these videos need to be short. So as you can see, we've got information about the company and what we do at Let's Roll Gaming. We also have, as you see, a scrollable website, so it scrolls down with the header and the footer kept in a fixed position. This is so we're able to access your social links. And also there's a call to action here for downloading the companion app. As you scroll through the website, it's got all the different areas that need to be found, but you can also get to them really handy with this menu bar, which shows you. If you click About Us, it takes us to About Us section, which gives us a rundown of the event, where and when it's happening, with a map, directions as well. These directions are from the Humber Bridge to the event. The event is held at the KCOM Stadium, which is now known as the MKM Stadium. We've also got the ability to plan your route. This is provided by Google Maps. We then have the tavern. This gives a nice visual imagery of colours and makes you hungry. Gives you a slight menu, but there's also more menus there when you get to the event. Talks about the drinks. Gives any allergy information is provided. And then there's this huge call to action. You could say it's promotion. Become a VIP and receive 10% discount on food at the tavern. So what is a VIP? So VIP is a special event ticket you can buy. This gives you access to our special events held with Captain Robeer and Matthew Mercer and some of the crew from Critical Role. Obviously, it's a Saturday and Sunday evening. Again, a call to action here. Buy your ticket. Click that. Takes you to purchasing your ticket. So, first is first, you want to choose your number of tickets. You click this. It highlights the number of tickets. So, you access the number. It would then pop into the screen below. You got your type of tickets. So, you have your standard ticket and your VIP access. As I say, this reduces the amount of tickets you chose. This adds to the tickets you chose. And again, continue. And then we have a type of payment. We have Visa, MasterCard, or PayPal. All you got to do is select the one you're using. And again, click continue. Then type the name as it appears on the card if you're using a card. Type the name, the number, the expiry date, and the CVC code. These are saved on as your account, and obviously we do not pass. We will not hand out this information to third parties or anything. Yeah, but also if you click the PayPal link, it will take you into the PayPal, and then you come out of the website. You go to PayPal, you do your stuff, and you return back to the website. So we're going to continue. Then this is, again, account information. You fill in your name, your passwords. And then finally you get a review of transaction. Click here. So you get review of transaction. You got buy now. You click buy now. It takes you to a notification. It lets you know positive reinforced feedback. It's great for a user experience. You know that you've received the tickets, it's sent to your email, and then you click continue. It takes you back to the website, and now you're a welcome user. You're in, you've got everything you need. So now we're going to go into the terms and conditions. So it's a huge section for terms and conditions. As I say, I've tried to make the website easily legible because accessibility is quite important to us in this section. So we want to make sure that everything is legible and you can read it. We also have an accessibility statement, which talks about the use of color, talks about the size of the text. We've also talks about how we utilize the capabilities of the website provider, browsers like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, how those accessibility capabilities also work with our website. Okay, that's the website. Thank you very much. We'll be now moving on to the next part, which is the website redesign for mobile. Thank you. Hello and welcome back. This is the Let's Roll Gaming Festival website. It has been completely redesigned for the mobile device. We're using the template for a iPhone 12, iPhone 13, but also can be resized and redesigned for Android smartphones. Okay, let's move on. So again, we're able to scroll. The choice of font here is Sagnuli UI. It's a PC-based font, but it's very clean. But it's a sans serif, so you've got no flicks. It's easy to read, easily legible. So we have a call to action here, but it will not work until you've logged in. So we go to the login, takes you to the login screen, again redesigned for the mobile. We have a back screen and a home that would take us back. So you go sign up and log in. So if you've already got your login details from, say, if you've done it on the web, you just use the login and it takes us in. And here we go. So this is about us. Again, this is a scrolling. So it scrolls all the way down. We've got the map. We've got the directions. Welcome user. It also has a hamburger menu drop down. So here's the first, one of the first things on the accessibility, the text to speak. You click that, you can actually tell them where to take you. So purchase tickets, it's obviously not built in as it's only a prototype, but it would then take you to purchase tickets. You then, the same as the website previously before, you've got drop downs, you've got your tickets, and you've got your ability to select where you want. So yeah, and continue. So again, as you can see, we're just going to continue through that. Again, details. This is now a selectable item, and yep, you still get the feedback that lets you know it's been sent. And that is the about us. On here you have the tavern. It would take us to the tavern section. Again, the same details from the previous website. The VIP lounge gives you information. This is a scrollable. There you go, very nice. And as you can see, part of that. And then we go to contact us. This gives us the ability. So we've got the letsroll.com email and the telephone number. Obviously these are made up in templates, and again it's able to get to our Twitter page. This also, the next takes us to the accessibility. It's our accessibility statement. And as you see, we have contact us as well, which is there. Oh, and the terms, conditions, contract. Now, thing I noticed is, you see, we've got this new color scheme. We try to keep it as clean as possible when reading fonting, when reading the text. All the text, where possible, is a minimum of 12 points on the mobile and 16 points on the website, 16 point PT, to keep it visual. Yeah, this is just a second part of the website. I just designed it for use on the mobile. I don't know if we needed to do it, but I felt it needs to be done as we use our screens. Mobiles probably more than we use a desktop computer. More people have mobiles than they have desktop computers or laptops or tablets. So as a designer, you always design mobile first. So I thought it was really important to have a mobile ready version of the website. Okay, next video up will be the companion app for the Let's Roll Festival website. Thank you.